Okay, Assalamualaikum. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Kasma Betty Malawi. My metric number is 803406. So for the first video, I would like to share about the stress. You know what, everybody having stress. Okay, so stress is the feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or through that make you feel frustrated, agree, or nervous. Okay, then and stress also is your body reaction to a challenge or demand in short bursts. Stress can be positive, such as when it helps you avoid danger or meet a deadline, but when stress lasts for a long time, it may harm your health. Stress also is a normal feeling, but they have two main types of stress. First, acute stress. This is very short-term stress that goes away quickly. You feel it when you slam on a breakers, have a fight with your partner, or ski down a steep slope. It helps you manage dangerous situation. It also occur when you do something new or sustain. All people have acute stress at time or another. Second type of stress is chronic stress. This is very dangerous. Is actually okay. This is stress that lasts for a longer period of time. You may have chronic stress if you have money problem, unhappy married, or trouble at work. Any type of stress that goes on for few weeks or months is chronic stress. You will become so used to chronic stress that you do not realize it's a problem. If you don't feel way too many stress, it may lead a health problem. Okay, if you may lead problem, it's become not healthy to your body. Okay, stress and your body, which is your body react to stress by releasing hormones. These hormones make your brain more alert, cause your muscle to tense, and increase your pulse. In the short term, these reactions are good because they can help you handle the situation causing stress. This is your body way to protect itself. Okay, when you have chronic stress, your body stay alert even though there are no danger. Over time, this puts you at risk for health problems, including when you have the chronic problem, okay, like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, obesity, depression, or anxiety, skin problems such as and or eczema, and menstrual problem. This is especially for women. Okay, but one important is if you already have a health condition, chronic stress can make it worse actually. Okay, so how to know when you having a stress? Okay, they have the some what we call it, the some sign. Okay, diarrhea, forgetfulness, like the frequent aches and pain, headache. Headache is very common of sign. For example, like me, I'm also having stress, and this, when I know I have the stress, I can be my head have headaches. Okay, this is also a lack of energy or focus. This is normal. Sexual problem, tiredness, trouble sleeping or sleeping too much. This is very I also have it. Upset stomach, use of alcohol or drug to relax, and weight loss. Okay, this is the sign of too much stress. Okay, to okay, I give the some tips to reducing stress. We can try together. Okay, first is keep a positive attitude. Accept that there are events that you can control. Be assertive instead of aggressive. Accept your feeling, opinion, or belief instead of becoming agree, angry, defensive, or passive. Learn and practice relation technique. For example, yoga. Exercise regularly. This is you can be the jogging every day or every week. Okay, your body can fight stress better when it's fit. Eat healthy, well balanced means. Okay, so eat healthy. Maybe you can eat more fruit, more vegetable. Okay, learn to manage your time more effectively. This is unique to strong. Eh? Please come. Please come back. Need to positive and need to strong and set the time the effectively. And also make time for hobbies and interests, like you can go to the cycling, okay, wherever you want to do, swimming, okay, get enough rest and sleep. Your body needs time to recover from stressful event, okay, and set up social support, spend enough time for those you love. So this is to, you need to spend time with the family is actually, this is very the, I think very the effective. Okay, so I think that's all for the stress. Because I know every person, everybody can be stressed. Okay, so we need to know uh, when we stress, then how to go up from the stress situation. So okay, we can do together. So that's all for the video one about the stress. Okay, thank you.